After another year of lockdowns and social distancing, it's time to shake off 2021 and look forward to 2022. Let us reflect on the lessons learned this year with the promise not to repeat them again. Keep watching till the end of the video to see my top 7 lessons learned, and I'd love to see your list in the comment section below. Number 7. Don't forget to smile as you go through the ups and downs of life. After each night, the sun will shine again. Number 6. Don't put people on a pedestal. No one is better or worse than you. Each person has their shortcoming and their superpower. Number 5. If you dare to dream, be ready to put in the work. If it were easy, every person would be living to their full potential. Number 4. Don't let ideas die in your mind. Life's too short, so execute them. A selected few will transform your life. Number 3, help others, but make sure your glass is full. That way you can keep sharing the overflow content. Number 2, dress for success. You represent your brand, your culture, your values, your history. People do judge a book by its cover. And number 1, be your biggest cheerleader. It'll help you through tough times. Someone said this once to me and it really stuck with me. I love a person with a song in their heart and a smile on their face. So these are my top lessons learned in 2021. What about yours? Comment below and let me know. Looking forward to a loving, laughing and luxurious 2022. Have a legendary year ahead. Peace.